Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change navigation gestures on your Xiaomi 17. So if you want to use gesture navigations just like the one I have on my smartphone, then you're gonna have to go to settings, scroll down to home screen, and here in the home screen menu, scroll to the very bottom, select system navigation and switch from buttons navigation, which looks like this, to gestures. Then we can learn gestures if you'd like to, but generally the gestures are shown in this menu at the bottom, and you can also adjust whether you change whether you want to enable circle to search after holding this navigation bar at the bottom of your screen. Besides, if you want to customize your screen gestures, scroll down to additional settings in the settings menu and then scroll down to gesture shortcuts. Open this menu, and here you can change each gesture and its function. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.